welcome to another video of Impulse Reaction. In this video, we will see how to add picture in Microsoft Excel. So there is a list of animals, cat, dog, wolf. I want to add pictures in the corresponding cell. So what can I do? Just click on the cell where I want to add the picture, and you go here at the insert section, and then in the pictures, and then in from the pictures you can select cat. So I can adjust the size here by just adjusting it to the cell box. Similarly, I can do that for dog as well, and I will adjust it according to my own will in the cell box. Okay. Another thing I can add is I just click on the cell, and then here you can see format picture. When I click format picture, there will be a dialog box appear in the rightmost side of the screen, and from here I can do filling, solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill. I can do settings if I want to change the transparency, if I want to change the size, if I want to blur it, or I can do multiple things. That depends. And from here, this is size and properties section. You can adjust the height, width, and other parameters of your picture. Let's say I just change the height from 1.38 to 4.38. So it will change it. And you can adjust multiple settings from here. And then you reset it to original size will appear if you do that. And here you can just make picture corrections, picture color, crop it. You can increase the temperature saturation of the image from this setting. You can increase or decrease the saturation, whatever you want. And so this is basically format picture section. There's another thing I want to add. You can insert the hyperlink as well. For example, I want to add a link. Just right click and link. And from here it will be appear a dialog box. The window will appear. It says exist file or web page. If I want to insert a file, let's say this one. So if I click here, this file will pop up. Basically, I just give reference of that file to this image. You can see the address in which it was saved in the computer. And if you want to add a link of a web page, let's say www.google.com, and if I click here, you see it will, here we go, it will get me to the Google Chrome. google.com. It will get me to google.com. Okay. So let's add other pictures as well. Pictures. Wolf. There we go. And you will then resize it. You can obviously increase or decrease the column and row width and height respectively. Link. And if I want to place in document, I can also select this. I can also do that to create a new document, and I can assign it with an email address. Let's say abc at gmail.com. So these are the multiple options I can do with the images. I can give a cell reference. Let's say A1. It is given by default. Maybe I can change that. I do that to B5. It will give the reference to B5. So here you can see at B5 when I click here, a reference is given. Here a reference is given. Because earlier I attach a sheet to this cell box, and here I linked it with the website google.com. So these were the three different ways to insert link on your image in Excel file. See you in the next one.